We have a Bella Canvas t-shirt and then this Teckwrap UV heat transfer vinyl. We have it in pink and we have it in blue. So we're doing the gender reveal today. Let's get started. I love Teckwrap vinyl. I use their vinyl quite often and I'm really excited to try out their UV heat transfer vinyl. I did get a discount code, so I will leave that with the discounted link down below for you to check out and get your own Teckwrap vinyl. I'm obsessed. Let's get started. Yes, this shirt is super wrinkly. No excuses, it's just been pretty much in my storage bin for way too long and I finally have something to do with it. I just picked this up at Michael's and it is 100% cotton. I'm going to measure out how large I want my decal, about 9 inches. So we're going to go ahead and size that. I wanted to keep this project as simple as possible, so I downloaded this cut file off of Creative Fabrica and uploaded it directly to Cricut Design Space. I did go ahead and just combine the letters together. As you can see on the right hand layers panel, they are individually placed, so individual layers, which means it would cut out all separately, which is not what I want. I'm going to select that and then click on weld or combine, and now I can go ahead and cut it out on my Cricut, making sure to mirror image because it is still heat transfer vinyl. If you are unsure, just read the instructions. Heat transfer vinyl will come with instructions and it will let you know if it's a hot peel or a cool peel, which we'll talk about in a minute. I pressed everyday iron on because it's not too much thicker than regular iron on, and I went ahead and I added it to my Cricut mat. Cutting it out on my Cricut was fairly easy. It went ahead and cut like butter as per usual. I'm using my Cricut Maker today. I peeled it up from the mat, and what I like to do is just cut out the decal and stick it back on my mat before I start weeding. It was trickier to weed this UV color changing vinyl compared to regular heat transfer vinyl, but that's because it is a little bit thicker. Now where the hot peel and cool peel comes into play is here. I pressed it at 315 degrees for 30 seconds and I did not read the instructions yet because I assumed I knew how it would work. When I tried to pull it up, it was actually a cool peel, which means the whole thing started coming up because I was peeling it when it was still hot. I had to wait for it to fully cool down before I could peel off the transfer sheet. Then, and only then, did it stick on my shirt. And now for the final reveal, is it a boy? Is it a girl? It's another girl. We are having our 4th baby girl. So excited. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crafting.